Hey everyone, just want to do a quick video talking about the benefits of becoming a channel member on YouTube or on Patreon. The first things first is these supply and demand zones created by the institutions are extremely important to watch. Even if you don't trade supply and demand, you should at least be aware of when we are contacting demand or contacting supply, so you know not to take the opposite end of that trade. In my opinion, it is extremely important. You get all of my zones on the weekly, daily, 4-hour, and 1-hour chart. You get all of my correct trend lines and all of my trends. As you see here, an up arrow means we are in an uptrend. And I track all of this on a daily basis. Basically, you get a link to my chart for that month that you were signed up, and I update it every month. And as every time I update a zone, something like this, if I draw something right here, all you need to do is press refresh and you will get that zone on my chart. Anytime I upload it, it's very convenient too, and it saves you guys a lot of time. If you're having a hard time finding supply and demand zones, this might be for you, and I've priced it very cheap. It is only 16 cents a day to get my zones, and it's taken me a long time to learn how to be able to draw the most accurate zones. And really quick, here is the Patreon levels here too, and this is the same exact thing for the YouTube membership. If you click here on my YouTube channel, if you look right here, we have the join button, and you just need to press join, and then you can click one of these. The same thing is on Patreon. It's the exact same thing. And essentially, just to go over it quickly, this is tier 1. This is the one that is only 16 cents a day, $5 CAD per month, and what you get is my chart analysis link. That is it. If you sign up on Patreon and you do an annual membership, you get 16% off, and then you also get my COT Report Spreadsheet, lifetime access, but only if you pay annually on Patreon. So that's a little bit of a better deal if you do come over to Patreon. And so for joining this tier, you will receive a link to all my charts, which include all of my buying and selling areas updated at least every 4 hours. And that includes, the weekly chart, daily chart, 4-hour and 1-hour. And if you look over here on the right, you can see all of the pairs that I track. I have the major currency pairs, excluding the New Zealand dollar. I have some cross pairs here, Euro Yen, Euro GBP, Aussie Yen, Pound Yen, and then some commodities as well. And there are different options too. I just wanted to go over the options really quickly. This is the second tier for $10 a month. And it is basically, you get my chart analysis link, the same thing, and then you get custom chart analysis on any market and maximum 3 per week. So basically, you could send me 3 pairs or stocks or commodities, cryptos, anything you want, and I will analyze them on any market, any time frame, and I will do that for you 3 times a week if you sign up. And same thing in the past one, you get my COT Report Spreadsheet lifetime access if you do an annual payment. You get access, but for this one, you get access to a private Discord group, and that is where you will be receiving custom, or that is where you'll be requesting custom analysis from. Also, something I just recently added is a private live stream forecast on Sunday, where you can basically go in the Discord, request analysis on like a forecast analysis for me to do Sunday for the live stream for just private members, for the tier 2 and tier 3 members only. And I'll record that live on YouTube. A link will be sent out in the community tab right here. As you can see, if you come to my channel, if you click on this community tab, the link will be posted in there on Sunday. I'll keep you guys updated as well what time the live stream will be, and it'll be all recorded too for you guys, so you can, just in case you can't make it to the live, you can, watch it after, because you could basically, you could request your analysis on the Discord, and then I can get back to it during the live stream. You can watch it later on if you can't make it. And that is the tier 2 right there, and everything from the previous tier. And then the $15 one, it's the exact same thing as all the other ones, except for there's full transparency of where I'm buying and selling stocks for long-term dividend investing. You also get a chart link to my macro charts, which is the 12-month, 6-month, 3-month, and 1-month chart. And essentially, it's the same thing as the previous years, except for I'm being transparent with my dividend investing portfolio. Same thing with this. You get the private live streams on Sunday as well, and the private Discord group as well. And You know, I think it's pretty cheap. The most popular one definitely is the $5 chart analysis right here. It's only 16 cents a day. It saves you guys a lot of work, right? And in my opinion, my zones are very accurate. I have a lot of detailed zones here. If you look on like my Euro USD chart and my daily time frame, you know, there's a lot of work put into this chart to find all of the most accurate areas of supply and demand, and they can be very, very beneficial to you guys. So that's pretty much that pretty much wraps it all up. Hope to see you guys there. I've priced it out to be very cheap. It's $5 is about as cheap as I can go, really, on the YouTube membership and the Patreon membership. And I priced it out so, you know, a lot of you guys could join, because I'm not trying to rip anybody off. But yes, I'm trying to monetize my channel a little bit. But this, you know, these zones and tracking these zones has helped me quite significantly, and I think it could help you guys too. It could save you a lot of time, find the best areas of supply. What a lot of the Patreon members do is, you know, say they're trading a 5-minute time frame, they'll just use my 1-hour chart. They'll see price coming up to my 1-hour time frame, and they'll look for confirmation in all of these zones. Maybe when price comes down to this demand, they'll look for 5-minute confirmation in there. That is what a lot of Patreon and YouTube members do, and I think it works very well for them. So I hope to see you guys there. Like I said, links will be in the description. You can join on Patreon, or you can join on YouTube like that. The YouTube is definitely the most convenient way to join, since you're already on the platform anyways. And when you do sign up, send me a message on Discord. Let me know that you signed up. Be very happy to see you guys there. It helps support the channel, and it can support you in your trading as well. All right, guys, take care. Have a good one.